Hey Deconi fans, today we want to take a look at the Massdrop exclusive Fostex THX00 and how to change its ear pads, but also how to add our attenuation ring. So to remove the ear pads on all the TH models of Fostex, you simply rotate the pad counterclockwise a small bit, and it comes off with two pieces, the pad itself and then the plastic mounting ring. These hooks latch into those little grooves on there. Now when you're going to change the pads, you take out the mounting ring, pretty easy. Choose your pad. We're going to use the Elite Hybrids from Deconi. So you get your attenuation ring, and you want to match up the thicker side of the ring with the thicker side of the ear pad so that the holes line up, and work it in under this little lip. Just takes patience is all. It's all nice and bendy, so you'll get there. Ta-da! And then you grab your attenuation ring. I do like to make sure the hole's lined up. You grab your mounting ring and just place that over top. Okay. I like to grab the lip and move it around. Now the reason for this attenuation ring is so that you have a less V-shaped frequency response and a little bit more even sounding volumes, and then also tighter bass response. Okay, so now you can see that rotates in here pretty freely. So what we're going to do is take our headphone and line up the front stitching here with the front yoke pin on the headphone. So line up the hooks with the groove, and if you don't have it perfectly lined up when you hook it in, it's okay, because you could just basically rotate the pad clockwise around until you get it lined up in the desired position, like so. And then you have fresh pads on your headphones and the attenuation ring for a different sound experience. So, if you like what you saw, please check us out on DeconiAudio.com.